NCERT Class 7, Chapter 1, Topic 1.4.1, under which we are going to solve the questions given in Try These. So, we have to find part 1, 6 multiplied by minus 19. So, 6 multiplied by minus 19. So, in the table of 19, when we multiply it by 6, so what we get? We get 114. And as there is a minus sign, so we have to put minus sign. So 6 multiplied by minus 19 is minus 114. The second question is 12 multiplied by minus 32. So we multiply in the table of 12. 12 times 2 is 24. We write 4 and we carry 2. 12 times 3 is 36 and we add 2, that gives us 38. So this is 384, but 32 is having a minus sign prior to it, so we have to put minus here. So 12 times minus 32 equal to minus 384. The third question, 7 multiplied by minus 22. So I multiply 7. 7 times 2 is 14. We carry 1. 7 times 2 is 14 again, and 14 plus 1 is 15. So this is 154, and there is a minus sign, so I put minus sign here. So 7 multiplied by minus 22 equal to minus 154. So we go to another set of questions under Try These. The questions are: find part A, 15 multiplied by minus 16. So 16 5 times is 80. We put 0, carry 1, and 1 times 16 is 16, plus 8 is 24, and there is a minus sign, so I put minus sign here. So 15 multiplied by minus 16 equal to minus 240. Part B is 21 multiplied by minus 32. So 21 times 2 is 42. I put 2 here and carry 4. 21 times 3 is 63, plus 4 is 67. And there is a minus sign before 32, so we put minus sign here and we get minus 672. Therefore 21 multiplied by minus 32 equal to minus 672. Part C, minus 42 multiplied by 12. So 12 times 2 is 24. We put 4 here and carry 2. 12 times 4 is 48, plus 2, which is 50, and there is a minus sign prior to 42. We put minus sign here. So minus 42 multiplied by 12 equal to minus 504. Part D, minus 55 multiplied by 15. So 15 times 5 is 75. I put 5 here. We carry 7. And 15 times 5 is 75 plus 7 equal to 82. And we put minus sign here because there is a minus prior to 55. So minus 55 multiplied by 15 gives us minus 825. Now question 2. Check if part A 25 multiplied by minus 2 equal to minus 25 multiplied by 2. So we solve like this. 25 times 2 is 50 and there is a minus sign prior to 2, so I put minus here. And similarly 2 multiplied by 25 is 50 and there is a minus sign prior to 25, I put minus sign here. So we get both sides equal, hence we have verified 25 multiplied by minus 2 equal to minus 25 multiplied by 2. And B, so we have to verify minus 23 multiplied by 20 equal to 23 multiplied by minus 20. So we solve it like this. 23 times 2 is 46 and we put 0 here. So, and there is a minus sign prior to 23, I put minus here. Similarly 23 times 2 is 46 and the 0 is here. So, and there is a minus sign prior to 20, so I have to put minus sign here. And what we get, both sides we get minus 460 and minus 460. So we have verified that minus 23 multiplied by 20 equal to 23 multiplied by minus 20. We have to try these questions under topic 1.4.2. Starting from minus 5 multiplied by 4, find minus 5 multiplied by minus 6. So we try like this. 5, this is minus 5 multiplied by 4. This gives us minus 20. Now minus 5 multiplied by 3, we have to reduce 4 by 1 and so on. We will go and make a pattern. So this will be minus 15, which is equal to, we carry this 20 from here, minus 20 minus minus 5. Then minus 5 multiplied by, you have to reduce again 1, so this will be 2. And we have to subtract 5 from 20 and we are getting minus 15. So here we are going to get 15 minus 5, which is minus 10. I write 15 from here, minus 15 minus 5. Then minus 5 multiplied by 1. This gives us minus 10 minus minus 5 is minus 5. From here I take minus 10 minus minus 5. Then minus 5 multiplied by 0, we are gradually reducing, so we are getting it here 0, because from here we take minus 5 and minus minus 5. So on subtracting minus 5 from minus 5 we get 0, and we are gradually reducing it with a same value, so we are going to get here 0. Now following the pattern 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0, I have to multiply minus 5 by minus 1. So what I get here, following the pattern, if I add 5 to this, I am going to get 5 here. And this comes, we take 0 minus minus 5. Then minus 5 multiplied by minus 2. And if I add 5 to this 5, what we get? 10. We are gradually always adding 5 and we are getting this pattern. I take 5 minus minus 5. Then minus 5 multiplied by minus 3, and on adding 5 to this I get 15. 10 minus minus 5. Then minus 5 multiplied by minus 4. I add 5 to this, I get 20 here, and 15 minus minus 5. Next, minus 5 multiplied by minus 5. I add 5 to 20, so I get 25, which is equal to 20 minus minus 5. Then minus 5 multiplied by minus 6, and I add 5 to this to follow the pattern. I get 30 here, which is 25 minus minus 5. So this way we get minus 5 multiplied by minus 6 equal to 30. So this is to prove that when two negative integers are multiplied, we get a positive integer. We have to solve then part 2 of it, starting from minus 6 multiplied by 3, find minus 6 multiplied by minus 7. Part 2, starting from minus 6 multiplied by 3, find minus 6 multiplied by minus 7. So we proceed like this. Minus 6 multiplied by 3 equal to minus 18. Now minus 6 multiplied by 2, I am reducing minus 12, minus 18 to minus 12 by adding 6 to it. as minus 18 minus minus 6 equal to minus 12. Then to follow this pattern, I go to minus 6 multiplied by 1, I get minus 6. I carry this 12 minus 12 here and follow the pattern. So minus 12 minus minus 6 equal to 6. Then minus 6 multiplied by 0 equal to 0, which is equal to basically minus 6 minus minus 6. Then minus 6 multiplied by minus 1 equal to 6, which we get from here, 0 minus minus 6, which is equal to 6. Then minus 6 multiplied by minus 2 equal to, we get 12, which we get 6 minus minus 6. We are just following the pattern. And then minus 6 multiplied by minus 3, which is equal to 18. We add 6 to 12. 12 minus minus 6. Then minus 6 multiplied by minus 4. This gives us, if we add 6 to 18, we get 24, which we get 18 minus minus 6. Then minus 6 multiplied by minus 5, which is 30. We get it from 24 minus minus 6. Then minus 6 multiplied by minus 6. So we have to add 6 here. We get 36. That is 30 minus minus 6. Then minus 6 multiplied by minus 7, which is equal to 42, and we get it 36 minus minus 6. So minus 6 multiplied by minus 7 equal to 42, and we have proved that when two negative integers are multiplied, we get a positive integer. So this completes this video here, and please like, share and subscribe to this channel.